Hello YouTube. Today I am filming a video about this microwave oven transformer I got. And I'm going to make plasma with it. So the first thing I do is I turn on the power strip. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but it's making a humming noise. Oh yeah, by the way, don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing. And don't look directly at it. It's really bright. It'll kill your eyes. These things are insane. They have so much power to them. Oh yeah, and don't touch this with your bare hands when it's turned on. You'll probably die. And make sure you have a surge protective power strip. Otherwise it'll trip the circuit breaker. And never use a metal stick either. You'll die. Alright, that's all for now. See you guys later.